guys, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. Now this video is a long time overdue. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing, or should I say unboxings, from the Louis Vuitton Murakami 2026 collection that was restocked on January 2nd. Kind of already unboxed because, you know, a girl couldn't wait. But I have the beautiful Murakami Nice BB, which is the larger size for the makeup bag. And this one was kind of like a 50-50 kind of purchase because I wanted to eventually get a Louis Vuitton makeup bag in the regular monogram. But when I saw this gave me happiness and just firecrackers because I just love multicolored pieces. So I had grabbed this one before it would be out of stock. And the zipper is nice and smooth. I mean, nice and smooth. So here's the inside of it. It is very spacious, very beautiful. You have a top zipper right here. You can put your makeup brushes in. And as I get closer, you have two pockets right here that you can put maybe your little lipsticks in, and then you have a little back pocket right here. But honestly, I think I'm going to go on Etsy and purchase an organizer to put in here because I would hate to get this dirty. Because this is just so beautiful and the leather is just so fine inside. So this one does not have feet, but it is gorgeous. I'd be cute. So this is how it looks, guys. I'm styling with my white. And it's just so poppy. And it gives me a summer vibe. There's no feet at the bottom. But this can also be like a purse because you have so much room. You can fit a phone in there. Maybe a small water bottle, a little fruit, a little snack. However you please, however you want to carry it. But I like this. On the handles, it have Louis Vuitton engraved, and I think this is gorgeous. So, this is one of my items. Alright, so this one was like a top priority on my list. In fact, this was the first item I put in my cart when they had the ad cart for Louis Vuitton. And it is the beautiful Murakami Alma BB. Now let me tell you a little something about this bag. This is iconic because of its shape, and there's no bag shaped like this. Alright, nice, smooth, a little wide on the bottom, beautiful feet, and it's not too small and it's not too big. It is just right. This bag you can take to dinner, you can take going shopping, you can take pretty much anywhere. And it's a cute small travel bag also. I really like the cute little stones at the, just gorgeous. Then you see the beautiful gold. And now, you know, for the new one, it has the cute little like flower shaped stuff. It's inside of this bag. So I haven't used it, so that's why I still have my tags on here. I'm going to use this one today, though. I think it goes perfect with my outfit. So inside is a nice suede. You got a nice little pocket in there. And what I like about this bag is you can wear a crossbody, put on the side, or you can wear like so. Boom, bada bang. Alright, I like that. Let me take this out. So right here you have your cute little key and lock, and then my key is right here inside of this bag. But knowing me, I'm fine with wearing it like this. because I would be kind of afraid to lose the key, which I don't think I would, but you know how I am. I'm all over the place, but this is so cute. I'm so psyched. I'm so happy I got this. You can fit a cute little small water bottle, your phone. If you got a mini iPad or a little snack, it's just right. It's just right. And the leather is nice and fine, and I love it. It's so cute, so girly, so feminine, and I love that it has feet on the bottom. Last but not least, I got the Speedy 25, and last year this bag was definitely on my wish list, but you guys know how they played the little game online. It was sold out within minutes. So I'm very ecstatic to have this. Now, I'm just like, this is my first time having a Speedy 25. And it was between this or getting a Nano. And me, I'm a girl who loves a big bag. Alright, so I went with this. And I think maybe later on I might get a Nano. But of course they were sold out. So you see the little plastic is still on here. I have not worn any of my Murakami pieces as of yet. But I'm going to wear them though. Because I definitely, you know, want the handles to patina smoothly. Inside it's like a big old bowling ball. Right there. You got a little side pocket right there. And yeah. And it says the 20-year celebration. So you remember last time they were like they're sold out? I don't know, they were completely sold out. Maybe they had this plan all along. We just don't know. Also, you have your side strap with this. It's nice and thick. But again, I'm not really a strap kind of girl. I kind of like wearing things on the crook of my arm, like, you know, old school. So, but yeah. It's beautiful. No feet at the bottom though, but I love the gold corners of it. Alright, so those are all the pieces I got from the Murakami collection. And just to let you guys know, they do restock randomly. So if you're looking for a black piece, maybe you might be able to get that. Or a white piece, whatever, just watch the website. But I'm really happy with my purchases. And I want to know what you guys got. 2026 starting off. Mwah, chef kiss. But anyway, thank you guys for watching my channel, and I hope to talk to you guys soon. Take care.
Like ice the tires, shit had me slipping. I turned the heat up, jumped in the kitchen, renewed commitment, removed the waste and improved the writer. Took up the taxes, I brought a bag and straight from the Shire. Thank the Messiah, my shoulders heavy, my thoughts inspire. The shots been fired, you cross the line and all love expires. I'm at that age where my peace of mind worth your life, and I wouldn't think twice about hella higher. My mind a million places, a million on my mind. This ain't purely entertainment. I see dollar signs and it get me stimulated. I'll never fall in line. Didn't do no guessing, know it's my turn. I saw all the signs. Yeah, it's a signs, but mostly patience. I didn't resign. I had to hold it together and tell them we'll be fine. Even when I didn't know if that was true, I couldn't lose my pride.